One of the most frequently asked questions we get on this channel is which glue do we use? So in this video, we're going to take a look at several brands and show you which one we prefer. First, we'll be taking a look at the original Super Glue Gel and Liquid. Next, highly touted Gorilla Super Glue and Duro brands, followed by Krazy Glue and Loctite Super Glue Gel. Finally, Loctite Professional Liquid, and we'll try clear Gorilla Glue. In the initial test, we evaluate each adhesive by simulating making a fuselage piece. We do this by rolling and gluing sections of can into a cylinder. This test is the most basic way of seeing how each adhesive will work with cans. With the exception of the clear Gorilla Glue, which didn't bond, and the Duro, which didn't hold well, the results are largely inconclusive with the remaining brands. Another test is needed. For our second test, we'll evaluate all of these adhesives by using each of them to glue 2 cleaned and shelled aluminum cans together. Then we'll evaluate how well each adhesive performs. First up, we test clear Gorilla Glue, since it is supposed to bond with a wide range of materials, including metal. We'll let it cure for 5 minutes and see how it does with our test panel of cans. After just over 5 minutes, the clear Gorilla Glue didn't hold, since it requires 24 hours to fully cure. Next, we test the original Super Glue Liquid on a panel of 2 cans. Just like we did with the Gorilla Glue, we'll let the cans cure for 5 minutes and see what the results look like. After 5 minutes, the original Super Glue Liquid performs average with 5 minor gaps on the surface. Now we test original Super Glue in the gel version. After 5 minutes, our panel only has 4 gaps, performing slightly better than the liquid did. Next up is Gorilla Glue, which is highly touted in commercials and ads. Let's see how it stacks up. And after 5 minutes, Gorilla Glue does well with only 3 minor gaps in the glued surfaces. How about Duro brand Super Glue? Only one way to find out. Let's see how it does. Just an FYI, the Duro flows a tad bit faster than some of the other adhesives. After 5 minutes, the Duro didn't do well, with multiple gaps in the glued surfaces. Next, we try the Krazy Glue brand. This tube also flows out fast like the Duro, so just an FYI when using it. The Krazy Glue appears to perform on par with Gorilla Glue, with only 3 gaps showing. Last but not least, we perform the same test with the Loctite products, starting with the Loctite Gel Control. Time's up. The Loctite Super Glue Gel performs really well, with only 1 small gap. The Loctite Professional Liquid is last. Let's see how it stacks up against the competition. Like the Loctite Gel, the Pro Liquid tops the list with 1 small gap. If you're crafting with super glue, keep goof-off super glue remover handy, especially for cleaning can surfaces. As shown in the video, Loctite is perfect for working with aluminum cans and is the brand we use and recommend. We hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching.